According to the common practice, the term probability distribution represents the probability distribution functions. The probability distribution function p of x of a discrete random variable x, capital letter, indicates the probability of capital X takes the value of lowercase x as a function of x. If x is a discrete random variable and lowercase x is one of its possible values, then the probability that the random variable x takes specific value lowercase x is indicated like the probability of capital X equal to lowercase x for all values of x. It must satisfy the two following properties. First of all, it must lie between 0 and 1 for any value of x, and this means that it cannot be negative or exceed 1. Second, the sum of all the individual probabilities must be equal to 1. And finally, as we have seen, the events x equal to lowercase x for all possible values of x are mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. This means that when we carry out a random experiment, something must happen.